So now we're going to learn how to create a question in Google Classroom. Super easy to do. This is a good way to take attendance when you're doing online learning. You can ask the students a question in the morning like, how did you sleep? What did you have for breakfast? Are you doing class in your pajamas? You can even do short answers. So this is a great way to do an exit ticket after a lesson as well. So click on create, click question, and then you're going to type the question here. So this is an exit ticket. What is the product of 3 and 5? And then I don't want to do short answer. I want to do multiple choice. So click multiple choice. And I'm not going to put any directions there. That's only if you want them to watch a video first, then answer the question, which you can also do. Like if you want to add a video, you can do a YouTube video or a link to a video like Brain Pop or whatever, and then add the question here. So let's see, the product of 3 and 5, the right answer is 15. They might subtract and say 2. They might divide and say 1 remainder 2. Or they might add and say 8. So then I'm going to go over here, and this is going to be ungraded. Well, no, I'll grade it. So it'll be worth 1 point if they do it correctly. Okay, due date will be today. Like I said before, that's Monday. You don't have to put a due date if you don't want to. And then this is a math question. So I'm going to create a topic, which is math. My other topic didn't show up. That's interesting. You can have the students see the class summary. That's good to do if you're doing a voting thing. Like do we want to have popcorn with our party, or, do we want to have ice cream or whatever? Then the students can see the class summary. But for right answers, I would mark that off. I haven't used this option yet with a question. I don't know if they can see who did the right answer. They might not. So it might be an interesting thing to see how many got the right answer. So anyway, and then you can schedule the question. You can save it as a draft. You can discard it if you want, or you can just ask it. So this will post it in Google Classroom, and you will see it is right here. It's due today, and you can see how many were assigned. Your number of students that are in your class would be here, and how many have turned it in. When I've done this, I've put this part up so I can see how many have turned it in, and I'll say, okay, waiting for 2 more, waiting for 1 more if it's an exit ticket. Otherwise, I look at it on my phone or on my laptop, and then I'll dismiss students based on who got the answer right first, and they get to go out first, and so on. So anyway, that is how you create a question in Google Classroom.